Just left Allied Auto Stores. This place is great. It's basically a Rock Auto IRL. It's right here in Fremont. 43815. So, yeah.
Look at that, guys. Claytonium. Thank you, by the way. Really appreciate it.
Alright. Put it on real quick, fucking loser.
Oh, my head's too big for that. Oh, my car.
He's what we call cabezon.
Big ol' head.
Cabezon.
You're cabezon.
You're cabezon.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Ta-da.
I'll send that to him. But anyways, if you guys didn't see on my Instagram story, I thought I had a input shaft bearing noise on the TC, but luckily it's not.
Oh boy.
It's
Can't even hear it. The washing machine's loud.
but the video I got last night, it was so fucking loud. And we already ran the car without the belt. I'll go ahead and put clips on right here just so I can show you guys, or you guys can hear. But we're gonna go ahead and replace the water pump. Where's the water pump? Where? Oh, bring it over here, please. We have some Xerex. Is that how you pronounce it?
It's pronounced non-OEM coolant.
It's pronounced "you're a hater."
Who?
And because they didn't have the Aizen water pump, open it. They didn't have the Aizen water pump, the Rock Auto IRL. I had to go with the Gates water pump.
This is for broke ass. I meant poor people. I mean
Oh, what's the the Tacoma
Tacoma water pump, the
pump?
97, I think. Whoa.
Close.
Very close.
Very close.
Oh, on these motors, if you take off, or no, it's the Prius ones, the 2AZs, I think, FXCs. If you take off the valve cover when you do the timing cover services, there's a little gasket that sits right here, and it's like a little dick. It just sits on the top.
Bruh.
It does, bro. Ta-da! Wow, metal fins.
Yeah.
Is it squeaky though?
1 year warranty. That's what the guy said.
It's gonna go out at one year, 1 day. Wow, no noise.
I figured it's new.
Hopefully.
So that's the part number for the belt, and that's the part number for the water pump. Oh, and we also got some synchro mesh because I got a little bit scared of the bearing, so I might as well just put some fresh synchro mesh. And yeah, that's about it. Let me get started so I can finish up and, I don't know, go have lunch because it's already noon 30.
You're weird, bro.
So accessing the water pump is actually kind of not too bad. It's down here, but in order to make our lives easier, we have to remove the alternator. You have your, I believe it's a 12 or a 14 millimeter right there, and there's another one down there. So let's go ahead and remove the alternator. First you want to disconnect your battery, and then we have a couple of plugs. We have this one right here, this long one right here. I just want to get the alternator out of the way first. Get that bolt out of the way. So remember that the shorter one is at the bottom and the longer one's at the top, and that should give us enough space to get the alternator out. Freeze up the bracket. Now you could pull this out. I asked it politely and it came out. So there you have it, our water pump. We have a series of 12 millimeter bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down there 6. So let's get all those off and make sure you have something down there to catch the coolant.
Oh my god.
Technician ASMR.
And there you have it. There's your failed water pump. There's no play on it, but that sounds so bad. Here's the new one. Might as well switch on my gloves. Looks about the same. Quiet. That's how a pulley's supposed to be. So I'm a little disappointed in Toyota. You can see Toyota Aisin. This is 125,000 miles. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. But yeah, that sucks. So really not that hard to get off. Just gotta use like the right 12 millimeter. You wanna maybe use a medium size 12 because a long one will not fit in between the frame and a short one is too short. So medium 12 would probably be the best bet. And each of these you're gonna want to torque to like 8 foot-pounds. Not that hard. They weren't on that tight, but yeah, this is really bad. All right, so there you have it. It's all installed, all torqued down. Quiet. That's how it's supposed to be. Now, go in reverse order, throw the alternator in there, connect everything back up. And there you have it. Alternator is reinstalled, bracket is installed, 12 volt is installed, and the plug, and this clip we put back on. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the serpentine belt back on. So I managed to get the serpentine belt on. I highly recommend you put all the belt throughout every pulley except the water pump because it doesn't have a lip on it. So then it'll slide a lot easier. And I had to move the wheel. And check out that nail right there. I had to move the wheel and take off the cover to be able to get the belt on. There's 4 clips right there. Go ahead and take them off. But other than that, job done. So now go ahead and top off your coolant. Notice how I still got a good amount left. That's because I didn't drain out everything from the radiator or the engine, just whatever was accessible through the water pump. So let's go ahead and fill her up, start the car up, and most likely the engine will, or the noise that we were having will be gone. Go ahead and put your negative terminal back on. All right, guys. Wow, I honestly thought I had the stupid input shaft bearing noise, and it was the water pump all along. Yeah. All right, let's go top off our coolant.